guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be having a little period talk. So I'm going to tell you all if the cotton period panty or if the Whispers period panty works better. So let's go ahead. I'm going to tell you all more about the product. So first, let's get to the cotton period panty. So this one might look like a normal underwear and it has a really cute lace pattern as well. But I'm going to tell you all why I did not like this product. So I'm sure all of us on the first day we get a lot of flow, okay? So I tried this on the second day of my period and that was the most horrible experience that I had, and that is where I stopped using the period panty. So I ended up wearing this on the second day of my period. I got this from a brand and I thought why not give it a try, right? Because at the end of the day, pads get very uncomfortable after a certain period of time. I feel I need to keep changing them, and I am not into like tampons and cups. I have never used it and I will never ever use it because I'm not comfortable doing that. So I thought let's give this period panty a try, which is what I did. Now getting to the actual story, I kept it on for like 1 hour and guess what? I stained myself completely in just an hour of wearing this. I know everybody's flow can be less or more, depends. So this is my personal opinion on this period panty. I would never opt for a cloth period panty ever again. I literally stained myself entirely. So this is definitely something I did not like about this cotton period panty. Otherwise, if you want to wear it maybe on the last day of your period or something like that, I think it could work for y'all. But I will still not suggest it because it is very risky, I feel, to use, and I will never ever use this again because it's the worst experience that I've faced in my life when it comes to like trying something for my periods. So now let's get to the Whispers period panty. So this is the box of the Whispers period panty. You get about, I guess, 6 panties. They are like disposable panties, okay? And I think they come in a size that is M to L and also like maybe more sizes. You can check it out. I got this for around $3.99, that is 400 approximately. Now the thing is that there are only 6 period panties in this. So I think spending like $3.99 for like 2 months or even 3 months is definitely fine. And 6 period panties, which means you can use at least like 2 or 3 in the month. Of course, depending on the days that you get a lot of flow, you can use this accordingly. Now let me get into the box and show you all how the period panty looks. So this is the packing for the period panty and it's basically wrapped up inside this paper like thing, and you need to remove it from this. So now before we open it, let me just give you all a fact about this. This looks like a diaper literally, okay, but it is very useful. So like I told you all, this looks like a diaper and it also has like front and back written on it so that you know which side is the front side and which is the back side. So now the material that is there over here is like very stretchy. It's basically like you're wearing an underwear itself. So this is something that I really liked about this period panty. And let me get to the flow now. So when it comes to this period panty, I have been wearing it since the past 3 to 4 months now. And it's a new launch by Whisper. I absolutely love it because it works for the days that I get a lot of flow. So like I mentioned, when I get a lot of flow, I want to feel more comfortable because that is the day I also have like cramps and everything, you know. So I don't want to be wearing something that is uncomfortable. So this is something that has worked for me. This is definitely a savior for the periods, trust me. So basically you just put it on, okay, like this. You just put it on like your normal underwear. This is the entire area where the flow gets soaked. So I'll just show you all how it looks like inside. So like you all can see, this is how it looks from inside. It's like a pad itself. just that it's more comfortable, and you will not have the issue of, like, your pad basically slipping off from your underwear, or an issue where you want to keep adjusting your pad. This is what I love, because I feel that on the first 2-3 days of your period, you don't want to be feeling like your pad might slip off, right? You need to adjust it all the time, and you basically need to get your friends to check that, oh, is it fine, is there any stain? So that is where I feel this one is definitely a life savior for me, and y'all can give this a try for sure. Besides the fact that it soaks really well, it is leak proof for sure, and it doesn't really move, so when you're wearing it, it's kept in place. Also, y'all can wear this accordingly if y'all want to wear it, depends on your flow and everything, but it will soak really really well, and it's very comfortable as well. So like when we are wearing our pads, we need to change it like at least 3 times a day or 2 times. Of course, again, hygiene purposes, you have to change your pads. For this one, I would say that you can change it maybe just 2 times a day, which is all right, okay? But besides that, this works perfectly fine for the entire day. So this can take you through a whole day, even if you need to go to work, you need to go out, you can be worry free and carefree and just wear this. This is exactly why I love this, because when I go to work or when I want to go out with my friends or something, I don't need to be worrying if my pants would get stained. I mean, I'm sure all the girls out there, we understand this. So this is something that has saved me for all these days and all those times. So definitely give this a try if you all would like to. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.